Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will have to simplify the following algebraic expression. So let's start with part A. So 3s multiplied by 7s. We first look at the coefficient. 3 times 7. This will give me 21, sorry. After that, we will look at the variable. S times S will give me S power 2. Part B. Again, we look at the coefficients first, meaning 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 2. This one will give me a value of 30. Then we look at the variable. B times B times B. 3 times. So it's B to the power of 3. Alright, let's move on. So for part C, again, we look at the coefficient first. 4 times 2 will give me a value of 8. Now, there are two variables here, B and A. Alright, so naturally, I will do A first lah. A times A to the power of 2, and then I look at my variable B. You're going to use another color, okay? B times B will then give me B to the power of 2. Alright. On this note though, there will be students who will do the variable B first. And at this point, I do want to highlight that this is an acceptable answer as well. 8b square a square is also acceptable. Alright. Let's move on to part D. When I see a plus 4c plus 5d, divide by 10. And so at this stage, I do want to pause for a moment and just ask, when we do plus and divide, which one should we do first? Which operation should we do first? Yes, it is the same as arithmetic. We will do the division first. So on this note, right, you will see me writing 4c plus, and I'm going to simplify 5d divided by 10 to be written as a fraction. 5d over 10. And let's continue. 4c plus, at this note, do take note, we can continue to simplify 5d over 10 because I can divide by 5 left 1, divide by 5 left 2. So the final answer would then be d times 1, 1d over 2. And at this stage, this is sufficient for the answer. We have successfully simplified it already. Okay? So going to part E. Again, I see divide, I see minus, I see divide. Yes, we should do the, we should do the division first. And therefore, you will see me have a minus in the middle. I have a 6e over 6f. I have a 8f over 12e. Okay? And I continue to simplify. 6 divided by 6 left 1, 6 divided by 6 left 1. And so at this, the first fraction is this, minus 8 and 12 both can divide by 4. Yes. So 8 divided by 4 left 2. 12 divided by 4 left 3. And therefore you will see me writing this as the simplified. And I check the denominator. The denominator are different. So at this stage, we have successfully simplified for this question here. Let's move on to F, where we have multiply, divide, minus, and multiply again. Which one should we do first? Yes, we should do the multiply first. Okay. If it is from left to right. Alright. So this one, I will do it slowly. 6m times m will give me 6m square, and I still have to divide by 24n minus half m times 2n. And after which I continue, and I can do this part here already. Divide, I can also do the times here also. Okay? So the minus is the last. So 6m square over 24n minus, so do take note, half, I do the coefficient first, half times 2 will give me 1. Usually we don't write the 1 but for explanation I will write the 1 here. Then m times n is mn. And finally, I saw that I could divide by 6 to give me 1 on top. 24 divided by 6 is 4. And so this will give me a final answer. M square over 4n minus 1mn. Usually we don't write the n1 down there. And that will be the end of part F. Let's move on to the last 3 parts quickly. Yes. Divide, minus, times. I do the divide in front first. Later on I do the times also. The minus later on then we do. So this one I will have a g over 7h minus 9 times g is g power 2, and we are done with this. H. I see a plus, I see a times, I see a divide. Yep. I do the times first. So in this case I will have 3a plus 2ab divide by w, and again, which one should I do first? Plus or divide? Yeah, divide. Very good. You guys are catching up. Divide would be 2ab written as a fraction. And since the denominator is different, this will be the answer for now. And the last part, I see a times. I do the times first, minus later on. I also see a times. I will do the times first. So this will give me 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Still got the C and the F. C and F will give me CF. Let me use red color. Minus. The only coefficient there is 2. So you will see a 2. And I see a C and C. C times C is C power 2. And last but not least, of course, still got the F, right? So I continue to write the F. Okay? So perhaps here I should just use green color lah. Just to make it neater. Okay? And that concludes this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.